Hello, this is Barry from Newgen Tech Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to shut down or restart a remote computer. First thing first, you either need the IP address or the remote computer's hostname. And I'll walk you through how to get those two. Second, you need to have admin rights to the remote computer. Since I'm a domain admin, I already have admin rights. And I'm going to walk you through, first of all, I'm going to walk you through how to get the IP address or the host name of the remote computer. So here I'm logged in to my remote computer. To get the IP address or the host name, we're going to left click on start. We're going to type in CMD. Now CMD stands for command prompt. We're going to right click on command prompt and run it as an administrator. Over here we're going to click on yes to confirm, and then at the command prompt we're going to type in ipconfig. ipconfig will give us the IP address of the remote computer. So our IP address of the remote computer is 192.168.1.241. Now to get the host name, you simply type in host name, and here's our host name, ngts-mdt01. Now let me show you guys how to restart or shut down a remote computer. So from your main computer, you're going to click on start, you're going to type in CMD again, you're going to right click, you're going to run this as an administrator, you're going to click on yes to confirm, and at the command prompt you're going to initiate the following command: shutdown -r -n // 192.168.1.241 -t. I'm going to give it about 15 seconds. Now what this command means is shutdown. We are initiating a shutdown command to reboot the machine name, which is ngts-md201, or the IP address, which is 192.168.1.241, and that's what I'm using over here, -t15. What this -t15 means that we're giving the remote computer 15 seconds to reboot. Now let's go ahead and press enter, see what happens. There you go, just press enter and I received a message on my remote computer saying that I'm about to be signed out. So let's wait another few seconds to see what happens. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, our remote computer just rebooted. Now if you wanted to shut down the remote computer, instead of R over here, you would just put S, which means for shutdown, and it will shut down our remote computer instead of rebooting. Again, thank you so much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.